Welcome back guys to another interesting video. In this video, I will provide you with a game turbo which will help you to increase gaming FPS and the stability of Android. So let's get started. Guys, first download the game turbo from the description. After downloading it, install it. After the installation, open the app. You will see a lot of options to increase gaming FPS and stability. Just follow me and get the maximum FPS in any device. Guys, if this game turbo works for you, so don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.